Hey everyone, now we are gonna unbox this small parcel. So let's open up. Okay, so inside we have some sponge. So let's remove it from inside. Okay, so that's all inside, nothing more. So let's quickly check what we have. Inside we have an opening, and here we have the coins. That's all, nothing more in. So let it be aside. So let's check what we have here for the coins. Okay, so again we have another tape. So inside we have a pouch. So let's quickly check what we have inside. And here we have Agriexpo 2 rupee coin. You can see Agriexpo 95. So we have this coin 10 each. And the next coin we are having here is Quatrana of British period. You can see the year 1919. All are in good UNC condition. Good condition. So we have this also 10 coins. So total we have 20 coins. Agriexpo 10 and Quatrana UNC 10. So total in this video we got 20 coins. That's all. Hit the like button.